The three most common requests I receive in regards to proper documentation involves medical expenses, charitable contributions, and mileage. Medical deductions need to be supported by receipts, invoices from your provider, perhaps your insurance company, or your pharmacist. A taxpayer who's driven their vehicle for medical purposes, charitable purposes, or business purposes needs to properly document that usage. A great way to do that is to have a travel log that you maintain in your vehicle. There are also actually apps you can get on your phone that will help you document this throughout the year. If a taxpayer wishes to claim a charitable deduction on their tax return, if they've donated less than $250, a canceled check or a copy of a credit card statement will suffice. Once they donate more than $250 to a charity, they have to get written acknowledgement from the charity supporting that deduction. And if they make non-cash contributions, that may require an appraisal of that property if it exceeds $5,000. For taxpayers with a home office, the IRS has actually simplified the record-keeping requirements. Currently, you can deduct $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet of your home that you use exclusively for business. You are still able to claim the old home office deduction, which requires much more documentation if it allows you a greater deduction. And you can flip back and forth between the simplified version and the traditional method from year to year.